Hey, what's up, my friend? So welcome back to this video, and in this video, we will be discussing about the bearish engulfing pattern. So let me walk you through. So for this one over here, the first candle, you can see that price has opened near the lows. And then the buyer stepped in and pushed price all the way up towards the highs and eventually closing near the highs. What is this? This one and this, what is this? By now, you should know the answer. If not, go back to the earlier previous video and you'll figure out what that is. And then what happened is that the subsequent candle, okay, the price has opened where it closed previously, and then the sellers came in, took control, and pushed price all the way down lower, and finally closing near the lows. So this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Pardon this, slight wiggle line in the over here, right? Pretty difficult to draw a straight line, right? Straight line, okay? So this is a bearish engulfing pattern because this candle, this one over here, has engulfed the previous green candle. Notice the body of this has basically covered the body of the first candle over here, okay? So this is a bearish engulfing pattern. And what it means is that it's a bearish reversal pattern. The sellers are momentarily in control, right? The keyword is momentarily. I didn't say permanently, I just say momentarily, just for the moment. They are in control. And the larger it is, the more significant the pattern is. Okay, so this is the bearish engulfing pattern. And just to walk you through a few examples, let's see if you can spot it, right? Let's play a quick test, all right? This one is a bearish engulfing. Open where it closed previously and then smash and close, somewhere quite a distance away from the lows, but relatively low as well. What else? You can have this one, another bearish engulfing. Okay, this one not really, because it didn't close below the previous candle's open. Where else? How about this one, right? Bearish engulfing. Notice it opened here and then closes, near the lows, right? The body of this candle is definitely larger and overcome the body of this previous candle here. Another bearish engulfing, this one. This is another bearish engulfing. Okay, so by now, I hope you have a good idea of what a bearish engulfing pattern looks like. So with that said, let's do a quick recap. Okay, a bearish engulfing pattern is a bearish reversal pattern. Sellers are momentarily in control. The larger it is, the more significant the pattern is. And last but not least, don't trade this pattern in isolation, right? So just because you see a bearish engulfing pattern doesn't mean you go short. Okay, so bear this in mind. This is very important. So with that said, I have come to the end of this video and I'll see you in the next.